The research expedition stumbled upon an ancient giant clam in these mysterious waters, a creature that had lived for 10,000 years. Everyone was awestruck by the massive mollusk, knowing something this enormous had to be priceless. But Jack, the most experienced member of the team, explained that giant clams surviving for millennia are known as pearl kings. Their shells bear rings like ancient trees. The more lines, the longer they've lived. This particular specimen had been around for at least 10,000 years. The real treasure wasn't the clam itself, but the luminous pearl it had been nurturing inside for all those millennia. The crew immediately urged Jack to retrieve the pearl. He raised a curved blade and muttered a prayer for divine protection before swiftly cutting a slit along the clam's opening. Working together, they slowly pried the shells apart. As the heavy shell lifted, a brilliant emerald treasure came into view. Everyone burst with excitement, feeling fortune within their grasp. But when Jack extracted the object, he was shocked to discover it wasn't a luminous pearl at all. It was something shaped like a mermaid. While the others stood bewildered, Jack, with his vast knowledge, exclaimed with enthusiasm that this was an incredibly rare mermaid pearl, worth beyond measure. He explained that the giant clam had absorbed the essence of the sun and moon to create a pearl. A young mermaid, attempting to steal it, had ventured into the shell but became trapped. Over thousands of years, the mermaid slowly crystallized and merged with the pearl, creating this extraordinary treasure. A pearl with a mermaid inside. Jack clutched it tightly to his chest, afraid someone might snatch it away. He then insisted they return the giant clam to the ocean. His companions resisted. A clam this size would fetch an astronomical price back home. Jack pleaded with them earnestly. This clam had survived 10,000 years against all odds. Now that they had the pearl, there was no need to harm it further. Besides, after living so long, the creature had surely gained spiritual awareness. Eventually, Jack's arguments won them over, and they released the clam back into the sea. But this act of mercy unexpectedly enraged the giant serpent that guarded these waters. The crew froze in terror. Someone shouted at Jack to start the boat and flee, but before they'd gone far, a massive whirlpool appeared ahead. The serpent, furious at losing its treasure, pursued relentlessly and began ramming their small vessel. Just as they were about to be sucked into the vortex, one of the crew had a brilliant idea. He grabbed the whaling harpoon mounted on the bow, aimed at the serpent, and fired. The harpoon pierced straight through the serpent's body. The man's plan was to use the creature to escape the whirlpool. The serpent writhed in agony and fled frantically. With a powerful leap, it launched itself skyward, soaring straight toward the moon.